Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel where I analyse, beg your pardon, and critique and give feedback on my own sketches so that I can improve quickly and create better foundational fundamentals of art, which is sketching and proportions. So if there's any terms that I use, please let me know and I'll get back to you, but I'll just go ahead and assume that you know what I'm talking about. So number one, for all three, I beg your pardon, I used good speed along with geometric and observational methods. Now, originally I was doing 4 minutes per sketch with a 1 minute time for analysis. However, now that it's on to week 3, or is it going into week 4? 3 weeks, no, we're now going, I've had 3 weeks. So this is actually sketch number 108, I think, 108 sketches now. So I have actually learned quite a bit in the past 3 weeks, and so I can do proportions and accuracy with quickly, really quite effectively now. Yes, I do have some hiccups and some sketches come out really not the greatest. So I am still learning, but I'm getting more good days than bad. So number one took 3 minutes 20 seconds instead of the 4 minutes. I do want to keep to the 3 minutes, but sometimes it takes the first one to be about just over the 3 minute mark. The second one I actually added a ponytail and her angled the head very slightly. I used a wee bit more creative license for that one, and I actually think it worked out quite well. It is very slightly longer in the face, but for the overall effect it is actually in proportion and structure and layout for the face, as I said. Number 3, the jaw on the left is slightly too boxy. That's why there's a line there. I actually wanted to kind of contour it in, but by that point I would have had to have come in from about there, so it didn't quite work out on this side of the face. However, the rest of the face did actually work out proportionally, so I am happy with the overall results. As I said, good speed, which creates a very quick feedback loop and cycle so that you then learn very quickly where you need to improve, and also identify where you're going right as well. So I'm really happy with the overall results. Check out the rest of the channel and I shall see you next time. Bye guys!